How to use DeepSeek app on mobile. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use DeepSeek app on your mobile device. To use the DeepSeek application on your mobile device, you will need to download it on your device. For that, you can go to the Google Play Store if you are an Android user and go to the Apple Store if you are an iOS user. And there search for the authentic DeepSeek application and then install it on your device. Now after installing the application, you will need to open the application on your device and then register using email ID or Google account. If you are using email ID, then you will need to create a strong password for your account. And after that, now sign into your account. Upon signing in, you will see a ChatGPT-like user interface with a text box at the bottom of the screen for interacting with AI chat box. And to use the features like DeepSeek R1 model or search the internet, you can manually enable them by tapping on the DeepSeek R1 and the search button beneath the text box. And you may also extract text from images or analyze the documents by simply pressing on the plus button at the right bottom below. And in order to start a new chat, you can tap on the plus icon at the top right corner of your screen and then open a new chat. So by following these steps, you should be able to use DeepSeek app on mobile. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.